It's a peripheral area. The food and beverage producers don't always have it on their radar. A blind spot that needs to be illuminated because it offers huge inherent potentials, numerous improvements for stock management and spare parts. The Krones Material Management Coach puts the daily working procedures firmly on the right track. The spares are available at the right time in the right place. The stock levels are optimized. The consequences involved are these. Downtimes are reduced, thus increasing the overall efficiency of the production line concerned. In the first step, the coach gets together with the client's own team to analyze the situation on the spot, while subjecting the individual areas involved to a rigorous scrutiny. The master data are absolutely crucial. They constitute the indispensable foundation and need to fit in with the situational environment concerned. It has to be clear what parts are in actual fact involved, and they have to be appropriately filed in the system. What parts are being kept in stock? How has the client been handling things so far? How is the stock organized? And what potentials can be tapped? How are materials actually planned in the client's system? It also has to be clear how materials are procured. Besides the organization involved, the processes in the spare parts store are also crucial. What are the working procedures employed? Where is the store located? What does the store's layout look like? For meaningful results, it has to be clear what statistics the client uses for internal benchmarking, such as stock levels and stock turnover, spare parts availability. During the entire course of the project, all relevant processes are documented before and after, while for the client, the requisite documentation packages and training manuals are drawn up. From the data obtained, the client and the coach derive the strategic and operative measures, which are then jointly implemented. Once this has been accomplished, though, the support we provide doesn't end there. After 6 months, the situation will be reassessed. It doesn't matter, by the way, if the production line features only Krones equipment or also machines from other firms. After all, in the end, only one thing really counts. The stock contains precisely the necessary spares, and the material management processes involved have been sustainably harmonized. The food and beverage producers can run their operations without any worries. They have everything on their radar.